What's going on, everybody? This is Sean from BMW South Austin. On today's episode of Feature Fridays, I'll be showing you your configurable instrument cluster on vehicles with iDrive 8. On vehicles equipped with iDrive 8, your instrument cluster does have some customizable settings. In order to customize your instrument cluster, you'll simply push this button right here on the steering wheel, and then you can choose what's going to be displayed in your center display. You can either have the default view, which is just your speedometer. You can have your trip computer. You can have this, which is more of like a compass view. Then you have this, which is a map view. Then you have your G meter. Then you also have your media. Additionally, if you push this right button right here, you'll be able to configure the layout of your instrument cluster. This is compressed, expanded, and minimal. Now, one thing to note is if you have map view selected, if you're using Apple Maps on Apple CarPlay or Google Maps on Android Auto, the BMW maps will be replaced with the respective map system that you have selected.